They say every workshop's got its secrets, but this one remembers everything that's ever been built, and everything that shouldn't have been.
Evening, bone bags. Ever notice how one bad night can change everything? One strange sound in the dark, one set of eyes staring back at you where nothing ought to be. Most folks think monsters announce themselves. Big teeth, big claws, lots of screaming. But sometimes, the really nasty ones don't show up all at once. Sometimes they sneak in a little at a time. One scratch, one strange feeling, one bad night you just can't shake. Tonight's whisper starts out in the desert. And trust me, bone bags, it only gets hairier from there. Roll it.
What the hell was that? I wasn't a coyote. I was way too big. What the hell just happened? I need to keep an eye on this. Make sure it doesn't get any worse. Okay. I don't know where to start. Something attacked me outside. I didn't get a good look at it. Just teeth, hair. God, it hit hard. It got me right here. It's not deep, I don't think. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, clean it and wrap it. That thing didn't move like anything I've seen before. Okay, something's definitely wrong. This should not look like this. It's only been, what, a few hours? I've had paper cuts take longer to heal. And that's not the weirdest thing. Look at this. That definitely wasn't there before. Whatever that thing was. I'm just tired. It's been a long week. I just need to get some sleep. Everything is so loud. Like someone just turned the volume up on the whole world. I try to sleep a little bit, and I could hear the faucet dripping from across the house. Jeez. Jesus. I can hear people's conversation across the street. This feels so impossible. It sounds insane. I don't know what to do. Okay. I think I slept maybe an hour. Maybe. That keeps happening. It's like everything is getting under my skin. The little noises, the lights in here, the constant humming. I swear I can hear everything. Wait, that's not me. I don't get mad like this. I keep thinking about it. That thing. Its eyes. I think I knew. Back outside. Part of me knew. What's happening to me?
It's worse now. I'm not fighting it anymore. I can feel it setting in. I can hear things. Smell too.
like it's pulling me. Hi everybody! It's in here. The mic's in the pocket. Hopefully this is a great shoot. Thank you guys for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our Bitten backstage behind the scenes. This is the crew. Say thank you, and until next time, go wild.
See, bone bags? That right there is why I don't go frolicking around in the desert. Too much running, too much screaming, too much unexpected biting. And frankly, I'm already difficult enough to house train. The good news? Our friend may have lost his grip on humanity. The better news? Looks like we've got ourselves a brand new workshop project. Next time, bone bags, we build the beast. Pleasant screams.